narrative out there in the international community that the attacks on Benue State, on other parts of the country, is as a result of climate change, is as a result of deforestation, is as a result of other environmental issues that have led to influx of herdsmen and all that. I saw the thing and I said, what is the offense of those people? Children, I saw women with children. Oh, I'm very emotional. And I feel pained that it shouldn't be in my generation that I've been witnessing this kind of thing. What kind of thing is going on in our country? And you tell me there is no military, there is no security to go and rescue these people? Where has it happened? In the whole world? Tell me. Volunteer guards will be formally launched sometime next week. We have not agreed on the date, but it's not going to exceed that. We are the same family. Whether the person I supported, the person of Wike or our presidential candidate today, we are the same family. And we will find a way of resolving our matter within ourselves.